What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Billionaire Crypto Club, my name is Danny. In today's video we're gonna talk about the top launchpads in my opinion where you should go in right now and definitely make some good money there, because those launchpads are really top in my opinion and will make you from 5 to 100x. So let's start this video, let's go guys. Before we start this video, just wanted to tell you that this is not a financial advice. You gotta do everything and invest at your own risk and do your own research, please. Like this video, follow my channel and share this with your friends. Let's go, but before we go, let me take a hit real quick. Now we could start. So the first launchpad that I'm gonna talk about is top 20 in the collection and called Avalanche. So let's go and check it out, this project. So basically Avalanche listed a lot of projects so far and they all showed a really good result. As you could see, that made from 5 to 173x's. Investing $5 into this would have made you almost $10,000. Think about that, $5 into 10,000 in literally a couple days. This is their website and I will show you how to get into this project and how to invest and how to get allocation. So basically all you're gonna need is just register and do the KYC, verify your wallet, which is not that hard, and the allocation staking. All you're gonna do is stake their token, which you will receive money from because you're gonna be mining their token while staking it. And also when they list the projects, right here it's already completed sales, but over here they're gonna be upcoming. All you're gonna have to do is just click on it, become stay in the line basically. And once you registered and told them that you're gonna be participating in this sale, they already locked the space for you, they already book your seat basically, and you have a chance to buy the token. So basically the allocation works that way. So how much money you put in, from that it's gonna be based on how much money you put in into this project. They're gonna give you the allocation. So the more you put in, the bigger allocation you will get. The price of the XAVA token right now is $7.29. You could buy basically 50 tokens. It's gonna be $400. That's gonna be more than enough to start off with, and later on when you're gonna be making money, you're gonna be participating in projects and token sales, you will be doubling, tripling, or maybe even making 10-15x's, and that way you will reinvest your money and make more. So I think this project has a lot of potential. In my opinion, it's a very good way to start making your first capital. So let's move on to the second project. Second project is called Lighthouse. As you could see, they only had one project that listed and gave a 49x's, which is not bad at all. So from $100 you could have made $5,000. So why I think Lighthouse is really cool and why it has a lot of potential is because this is the first launchpad from Moonriver, and I think y'all heard about Moonriver. This is basically, I would say, a brand new that just came out. This is a blockchain. It has a lot of potential in the future. It's gonna be making a lot of access. So right now it's easy to get in. Basically you don't have to put in a lot of money at once. All you're gonna have to do is just complete those tasks. As you could see right here, we're gonna go to tiers, and over here on the right you'll see the tasks to get the first tier. So you're gonna have to own 0.01 RIB and own one scape. Scapes are basically NFTs of the project, which literally cost you probably like $5 to $10. There are more expensive ones, but you don't need those. You just need one any escape. So basically you could buy it for $5 and you already have a tier. The second tier, it's gonna be a little bit more. You're gonna have to own 100 CWS and own 5 scapes, which is also not bad. For this tier, is you're gonna need approximately around $450-500 to complete it, and you'll have an allocation where you're gonna be also making a lot of money, because as I said, this is a recently launched blockchain, which later on it start picking up right now, and they're gonna have probably really good projects that gonna list there and that's gonna be making a lot of access. As we could see, they only had one project right now, Moonscape, and the project made 49.94, so 50 access. So if you got an allocation at least for $10, which is not that hard, you would have made $5,000 from that project. And I think it's really good, and for low bank, that's a really good opportunity to make your first capital and start off with something small and become into something bigger. With that being said, let's move on to the third and the final project. So this project is called Soul Razor. As you know, I'm not a big fan of NFT, of Solana NFT, and basically projects that list on Solana, but this is a really good launchpad. because as we could see, that made from almost 2x's to 17x's. I know it's not that big, but why you gonna say why it has a lot of potential? I'll tell you that. So this is the first project, one of not that many projects in Solana that literally make money. Because as we know, a lot of projects on Solana and NFT on Solana come already wrecked. Basically, you're gonna lose money, and this is the first Launchpad that goes out and makes money. So other projects basically launch and make a little less than a zero, if I could say that. Basically, I think this is really good, and I'll show you their website. Let's go. So that's how their website looks. They have IDOs launching soon, from January 20 to January 22, and Uncle Mine that's coming soon. Let's go and see their tiers. So basically, you're gonna have to, this is their tiers, that's how they look like, and the first one is called soil, the second one called seed, and so on, and it grows into a big mighty orb. The first one, you're gonna need solar, and I'll tell you how much the solar is right now. We're gonna check it out. So the solar right now is at 1.31. You're gonna need $130 to get the first tier, which is not bad, and I think low banks could definitely afford it. And the first tier, the second tier, the seed, you could put in $650, around that price with all the fees, and you're gonna have an allocation. From the third one, when you invest $3,000, you're gonna have a guaranteed allocation, which is already good if you have guaranteed, because the first two are basically tickets. If you're lucky enough, you'll get an allocation and you'll be able to participate in the coin or IDO. So, which is also not bad, because you're investing only $130 and you'll have a chance to win something. In my opinion, this is not bad at all, and for low banks, you could take your chance and see if you could do something. Let's take a break for now. Why it's good to invest bigger? Because over here on the third tier, after investing $3,000, you're gonna have a guaranteed allocation for approximately $150 up to $500. And as we could see right here, we could see their project. Even if it makes 2x's from $300, that's gonna be $600. So you're doubling your money at least. And the top project that listed 17x's, you're gonna be literally making almost $6,000 just from $300 that you invested. Guys, do your own research, but those are the top Launchpads in my opinion for now, which I would go in. Thank you so much for watching again. Follow my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave comments please guys, it's very important. So see you in the next video. Billionaire Crypto Club was with you today. Peace out everybody.